Hey, welcome back to another video from your friends at Sapper Woodworking. I'll tell you, I'm really liking this video and how the project turned out. Here I'm going to demonstrate a little bit on how I ended up making a really cool looking bowl from some recycled and discarded skateboard decks. As I've mentioned several times in the past, I was a very devoted skateboarder through my late teens and built ramps and all kinds of projects. So it was really kind of a take back to my youth and taking some old boards and converting them into this bowl using the segmented method of bowl construction. I won't do a whole lot of talking during this video, although around 2 minutes in I do discuss a little bit of the bowl design and how I decided to engineer the bottom. But other than that, it's just going to be some machine noise and some music. So if you like what you see, please consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified when we post future videos. And as a little bonus feature near the end of the video, I do have some really old vintage skateboarding pictures of me probably taken around the late 1970s or early 1980s. So enjoy, and if you have any comments or questions, please put them below. And as always, have a great day. Thanks. Hey, welcome to the middle of the video. I've got kind of a interesting design choice with this particular segmented bowl that I kind of wanted to go over with you verbally rather than just show you in the video. So typically when I'm making a segmented bowl, I'll just make kind of a wider segmented ring for the bottom of the bowl. So this is an example of a maple bowl I'm in the middle of making. And you got the segmented pieces that you can see, and they kind of wrap around the bottom of the bowl in one continuous piece. And I like that aesthetic. But on this segmented bowl that I'm making with the cut up skateboard pieces, I can't really do that because these this is the center part of the skateboard deck, and all these are glued vertically. So as this rounds and starts revealing itself, I'll start seeing like oval shaped colors as the different layers of the plywood and the different colors are revealed, and I can't just glue on a segmented ring on the bottom because all of a sudden you'd see all these colorful rings and then it would stop to a solid piece of maple. So I thought about it overnight, and what I've decided to do is I'm going to take this piece of scrap plywood and glue this on what will be the top of the bowl eventually, and then mount the bowl from the top, turn some of the outside of the bowl around to balance it, and then on the bottom of the bowl I will turn essentially which is a dado groove, a little inset groove that this solid piece of maple will eventually fit into, and that will become the bottom of the bowl. So that you'll see all these kind of funky solid colors will come all the way wrap around the bottom, and you won't see that solid piece of maple unless you're looking at the bowl from the top. So the outside design won't be disturbed at all by all these vibrant colors in one kind of solid piece of maple in the bottom. That's what we're going to go with, see how it works, and just thought I'd outline that in a quick little verbal break in the music. So let's get back to the tunes, and we'll see how this turns out. Thanks.